Keep your face to the sunshine, and you cannot see a shadow. Winning does not always mean being first. Winning means you are doing better than you are done before. A truly happy person is one who can enjoy the scenery while on a detour. The good life is a process, not a state of being. It is a direction, not a destination. If you want light to come into your life, you need to stand where it is shining. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. No one is perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. Be so happy that when other people look at you, they become happy too.